20 easy English questions and answers for kids and beginners. What is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a ball. What is this? This is a car. What is this? This is a book. What is this? This is a pen. What is this? This is a bag. What is this? This is a cup. What is this? This is a bed. What is this? This is a toy. What is hot? The sun is hot. What is white? The moon is white. What is bright? The star is bright. What is this? This is a tree. What are these? These are flowers. What do you drink? I drink milk. What is this? This is water. What do you eat? I eat food. What is this? This is my house. What is this? This is my school.